last Tuesday I get injured in calf, and we make everything we can to make it to Sunday against Murcia, but we couldn't. So right now I'm gonna come back progressively, and normally, I mean, I'm not gonna say 100%, but 99%, I'm gonna play Sunday. I mean, my goal is to play, and I think I'm gonna play anyway. So yeah, but, I mean, the improvement has to be made in defense, for sure. But I mean, it's got to be energy from everybody. I think the two new guys are gonna bring a lot of more energy. And right now, I mean, everybody's focused on defense, and I think if we are able to do a good game in defense like we did against Bilbao, offensively we got all the tools to win the game. For sure. This is a final. We can say every game is a final, but against Sevilla, I mean, a real opponent. We lost, I think, 4 points, 3 points, even more, 3 points over there. So I mean, for us, is first to win, try to get the goal average, and I mean, yeah, it puts us to 9 victories, them 7. So this is a final. Everybody is conscious of that, and I think everybody's gonna work for win the game. And like I said, if everybody puts the energy, we can compete. So let's do it. Against Juventus, we don't have the goal average. So right now we got the only game we can actually do it is Sevilla. So if we get Sevilla with the goal average, we get Sevilla and Bilbao. So after that, everything is open. But for us, despite the goal average, is a win, and a win means a lot of energy, confidence, and after that we get still 4 more games. And we actually can compete in every games after that. And for us, the first win gonna bring, I think, another one. So right now everybody's focused on Sunday. It's gonna be day to day, game to game, and like I said, nothing to say about it. No, it's not the time to count points and everything. Now it's gotta be give everything, and like I said.